forecast here in Baltimore as they load into the gate for the 142nd running of the Preakness Stakes on a day where the track began as muddy, later upgraded to good, and now rated fast. Multipliers in, cloud computing. Gunnavera is in a spot. Term of art. Senior investment, hence steps up. Looking at Lee to post 9. There's the Kentucky Derby winner, Always Dreaming, and John Velasquez in. By his side, Champ Classic Empire. And one to load, Conquest Money. They are in the gate, and they're off to a perfect start in the 142nd Preakness. And so Always Dreaming, Classic Empire, both broke beautifully, and they're side by side in the opening furlong. And they clear by 2. From Cloud Computing, who'll take back on the inside in 3rd. Term of Art is up close in 4th. Gunnavera to the inside. Conquest Mo Money is now off that pace, and Conquest Mo Money races 5th into the first turn run. And they're followed by Hence, who's some 7 lengths from the early leader Senior Investment, and then it's Multiplier back of the pack, and late running Looking at Lee, the laggard in last with less than 7 furlongs to go. 23.16. Ultra sharp opening quarter mile on this fast track now in Baltimore. And Johnny Velasquez and Always Dreaming a neck in front. Well, Julian Leperoux and Classic Empire spy from the outside. Another 2 lengths back. Cloud Computing is in 3rd and Term of Art is in 4th. Conquest Mo Money asks for a little more one from 5th. And it's back to Gunnavera on the inside. 6 lengths off of Always Dreaming and Classic Empire after 46.81 half mile. And they head on for the far turn. Always Dreaming, Classic Empire's giving them a run for the money in Baltimore as they round the far turn. Cloud Computing is 3rd. Term of Art is in 4th. Conquest Mo Money and Gunnavera. They're followed by Hence and Looking at Lee. Still a dozen lengths off that lead, and they're followed by Multiplier, Senior Investment, and Classic Empire has wrested the lead away now from Always Dreaming with a quarter to go at Pimlico. Cloud Computing, Conquest Mo Money. Gunnavera is trying to gear up on the inside, but is under a drive, and they're into the stretch here at Pimlico, and Julian Leperoux and Classic Empire have a 3-length lead, but Cloud Computing on the outside is coming with a run. Cloud Computing outside keeps on coming. Classic Empire, Cloud Computing, head-to-head down to the line. Cloud Computing wins the Preakness by a head from Classic Empire. Senior Investment, then Gunnavera or Multiplier or Looking at Lee. Conquest Mo Money was next, and then Term of Art and Always Dreaming to the back of the pack, and Hence was last to cross in 1 minute 55.98.